Hey guys, got a story we got to get out and spread. Reuters is reporting that a shelling has damaged radioactive waste storage building, the UN nuclear watchdog said, which is corrupt anyways. The IAEA controls everything that comes out of the UN, including what the World Health Organization can say. And you can find that in the 2001 Kiev Symposium on Chernobyl. You must watch that. If you've never seen it, then you will never see the corruption in full view. So here we have a picture of the plant. 1 is the cooling towers, 2 is the cooling pond, 3 is the row of reactors, and 4 is the radioactive waste storage. Okay? 5 is the offices attacked by Russian troops long ago. That happened long ago. I'm just using this map so we understand where those waste storage pools are. Okay? So one of those buildings has been damaged. We don't know what kind of damage. We don't know if the spent fuel pools have been damaged. And we don't know if any releases have occurred. We don't know if a zirconium fire is occurring. So we got to get this word out. This is the setup here. This is the largest nuclear power station in Europe. And they're having a war around it. Okay? This is why nuclear power should not exist. This is one more reason why nuclear power should not exist on our planet. Because if off-site power is cut and their 10-day amount of diesel fuel runs out, then we're talking about Fukushima. We're talking about hydrogen gas explosions. We're talking about zirconium fires that release all types of radionuclides. And once that zirconium cladding is burned off, then you're straight to the fuel. This is important, guys, because Reuters isn't going to tell you the truth. Just like all the media didn't tell you the truth on Fukushima. Sorry, guys. I'm doing this in real time, trying to do the best I can. So get the word out. This is very important. All right, guys. Use your connections, talk amongst each other, and find out some information. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.